Hey, it's Joseph here, founder at Hood Cleaning Profit. Since 2016, I've worked with hood cleaning companies all across the country to help them land more contracts, rank higher on Google, and build profitable, sustainable businesses. Now let's be real, most marketing companies have no idea what hood cleaning is. They've never worked with this industry and they definitely don't know how to grow it. But hood cleaning is different, and if you play it right, you can grow a business that brings in clients without begging, chasing, or competing on price. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get hood cleaning contracts without cold calling, without walking into kitchens trying to sell yourself, and without undercutting everyone else to win the job. Let's get right into it. Let's start with the problem. A lot of hood cleaners are stuck hustling door to door or making cold calls hoping to land a job. Even worse, when they finally do get someone on the hook, they're forced to drop their prices just to compete. It's a race to the bottom. You don't want to win work because you're the cheapest. You want to win because you're the most trusted. Restaurant owners and managers are willing to pay more if they trust that you'll show up, do it right, and help them stay compliant. That's what positioning is all about. If you look like the best option in town, people naturally expect to pay more, and they'll feel good doing it. This includes having a clean professional website, dozens of 5-star reviews, branded uniforms and equipment, a polished Google business profile, and having your vehicles wrapped. All of that builds trust before you even answer the phone. Now this is where the game changes. Getting inbound leads, people coming to you. Let me break it down. Step 1 is you want to optimize your Google business profile. Here's the deal. Google doesn't have an official category for a kitchen exhaust cleaning service. So what do? Start by going to Google and searching hood cleaning in your city. Look at the top 3 to 5 businesses that show up in the map results and take note of the category that they've selected. It'll usually say right under the business name the kind of business that it is. You'll likely see categories like pressure washing, air duct cleaning, fire protection service, or even cleaning service. And just pick the one that shows up most in your area. We want to do this because that's what Google already recognizes as relevant for hood cleaning in your local market. Match it and you're way more likely to show up in the map pack. Once your listing is set up right, Google needs to trust you. We want to do this, we want to earn Google's trust by posting photos of your work, adding your service areas, and asking every happy client to leave a 5-star review. The more active and optimized your profile is, the more Google will push you to the top. Next, we want to build a simple professional website. Keep it clean, mobile friendly, and focused on conversions. Use before and after photos, include your service areas, and make it easy for someone to call or book a free inspection. And I want to remind you that when people find you through Google, they're already looking. They're already ready to buy. When people come to you, you don't need to be a salesperson. You need to be a solution provider. When you offer a free inspection, you're not selling anything, you're diagnosing. Walk in as the expert, show them what's out of compliance, educate them on the cleaning schedule their fire marshal expects. At this point, you're not even a contractor, you're a trusted professional. You don't need to take every job, and you shouldn't. Ask yourself, is this client looking for long-term service? Do they care about staying compliant? Do they value quality? If not, you really want to pass. It's hard in the beginning for sure when you're not getting a ton of leads to pass on clients, and you'll end up taking bottom of the barrel customers that will likely just be a one and done service, or the worst case, they won't pay you at all. You're not building a business to serve bottom feeders. You want to build something sustainable. Once you got leads coming in and demand is up, you can charge what you're worth. This changes everything. You get better clients, better margins, and less stress. Look the part, be reliable, communicate well, and stop being the cheapest option. Be the best option. So let's recap. Stop cold calling and door knocking, stop competing on price, and start positioning yourself as the go-to hood cleaning company in your city. Use Google to bring in inbound leads by offering free inspections to build trust, and choose who you work with on your terms. If you want help setting all of this up, that's exactly what we do at Hood Cleaning Profit. Book a free strategy call using the link below, and let's get you out of the grind and into consistent, high-quality contracts. Thanks for watching, go get those contracts, and I'll see you in the next video.